How to remove a person from a photo in Snapseed. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So right now we are here on our phone. Of course, we'll be opening our Snapseed. So let us import our photo. So choose a photo that has a person and our background on it. So I will choose this one. So what you need to do next is go to tools. Once you're here, and find double exposure and click on that plus icon at the bottom. Import the same photo. So once you have imported the same photo, click on check icon. But once you have moved the photo or the person to the side of the other person, so after that, if you are satisfied, just and here with the drop of water icon, slide it to the right, and after that you can now tap on the check icon. Go to that button above with the arrow and go to view edits, and then tap on double exposure and tap on the edit button and just brush on the person that you want to remove. So you can adjust here your exposure, so just brush it until the person is covered with the brush, and after that you would see that the person has been removed of the background. There you go. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.